Good morning. Thank you for coming on this platform.
Good morning.
Good morning. And we are going to look at Peter Obi movement recently, and of course he was hosted by Atiku Abubakar, Sule Lamido, and Saraki. Of course, political bigwigs in the country, and Obedience are asking, what is actually going to be the fate of Peter Obi and Ahmed Datti come 2027 as it stands now?
That is just a visit. We don't need any alliance. I would like to speak for the Obedience. That's just a visit. They had an INEC meeting, so after the INEC meeting, so they have to see themselves. There's nothing at this point in time that we know of that they are planning. But looking at that visit, there are permutations that the Labour Party needs an alliance, a big alliance coming together to oust the APC, to oust President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. That is the thing people are looking at. But you know, the Obedient family, they are a kind of people that you need to understand that these are radicals. They will not want any alliance with Atiku or the PDP, because according to them, PDP is already a failed party. The same PDP that Wike is appointing their national chairman. Wike, who is loyal to APC. So is it that same PDP that the Obedient family will now form an alliance with? I think it's just a joke. And I want to tell Peter Obi, if he crosses over or forms an alliance with the PDP, his career, you know, the Obedient family or the Obedient movement, these are the movements that make Peter Obi who he is today. They give him that popularity. So if he joins any alliance with Atiku, whether Saraki or anything, he's going to lose his relevance within 1 week. Within 1 week, that's just the fact. And I trust Peter Obi. He might just be playing politics with them. There will not be any alliance with the Atiku and the Saraki of this world. There will not be alliance.
Alliance we are talking about in kind of trying to come under.
Does the PDP have structure?
No, what I'm saying is this.
Is Atiku relevant?
What I'm saying is this.
Wike is more relevant than Atiku.
What I'm saying is this, okay. You know, you cannot rule out their influence, you know, in...
What kind of influence? Is it the Mago influence? I know one of the reasons why they want to align is because of the ruggedity of the PDP, the structure that they have, which they can use in trying to defend their votes. But the Labour Party, they might not be able to defend their votes. That may mean so many things. Defending your vote may mean so many things. So the reason for that alliance is so that if there's a rugged thing, if APC is going to play hanky-panky, or to try to manipulate the elections, so they have their own structure, which the PDP has on ground, that can defend the votes. That's the only reason why the PDP want to have alliance with the PDP to defend votes, not that they are popular. So far, the structure is dead. If there's an alliance allowed by the Obedient movement, who is the powerhouse of the Labour Party, if there's an alliance, that structure will be resurrected. So during the election, when they want to manipulate or when they want to switch off the server, they will have people on ground to defend the votes that will come from that alliance. Obasanjo already supported that alliance. There was a very big movement that will oust. They see APC as a cankerworm. They see APC as a party that is meant to destroy Nigeria. But from my own perspective, see, that Tinubu is going to spend 8 years old. The way Tinubu wants power, it's even possible for the half of Nigeria, for him to divide Nigeria, not even get power. Tinubu, Nigeria will divide if he doesn't get power. It is better for him to divide Nigeria than not to be the president in 2027. So they are just playing politics. Let's see how it goes. But I just advise people to be, if you like your career, don't form an alliance with the PDP. Because the Obedient movements are the one that made you popular.
If you are looking at that alliance, you are looking about who is going to fly a kind of presidential ticket either in Labour Party and having Atiku Saraki them as, you know, support base. Don't you think
so? Atiku is going to his presidential ambition.
He has jettisoned it.
He's going to drop his presidential ambition.
Atiku is saying that that they are going to work underground because Paul Ibe, his spokesperson, said recently that the truth is that Atiku wanted a presidential flag bearer from the east, but unfortunately, Autumn and Wike played some kind of dangerous game, and Obi quietly moved to Labour Party. Leveraging on Obi's so popularity, and Atiku, Saraki, and the rest of them are saying we are going to work together. That work plan has never been unveiled, but people are saying that at the end of the day, they might create a kind of platform or party that will see Obi becoming the president of Nigeria 2027.
Until Atiku officially comes out to say that he's dropping his presidential ambition for an alliance with Obi, until he comes out on his handle to tell the whole Nigerians that I am dropping my presidential ambition for P2B. This alliance, P2B will be the president. Somebody else, or Saraki, or who else? Anybody from the north will be the vice president, then I'll agree with what you're saying. But so far, the Atiku I know will not drop his presidential ambition for anybody. He prefers P2B being his vice, which obedient family will not want. So they are just playing politics.